Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Creating a rock garden can be a beautiful and low maintenance way to enhance your outdoor space. Here are some rock garden ideas to get you started. Alpine rock garden. Mimic the rugged beauty of alpine landscape with a mix of small rocks, alpine plants and gravel. Use a variety of rock sizes to create texture and interest. Desert inspired rock garden. Choose cacti, succulents, and other drought tolerant plants to create a desert themed rock garden. Incorporate sand or fine gravel for an authentic look. Zen Rock Garden. Embrace the principles of Zen by designing a minimalist rock garden with carefully arranged stones and raked gravel. This can be a tranquil and meditative space. Water feature rock garden. Combine rocks with a small pond or stream to create a water feature within your rock garden. The juxtaposition of stones and water can be visually stunning. Wildflower rock garden. Mix rocks with wildflowers and native plants to create a natural looking garden that attracts pollinators. This style can be a heaven for local wildlife. Terraced rock garden. If you have a sloping yard, consider creating terrace rock gardens with retaining walls. This design adds depth and dimension to your landscape. Japanese rock garden. Follow the traditional Japanese style with meticulously placed rocks, sand, and carefully pruned plants. It's designed to evoke nature's essence in a small space. Mediterranean rock garden. Incorporate elements from Mediterranean region with plants like lavender, rosemary, and olive trees. Use warm-toned rocks and pebbles for an authentic look. Rock garden edging. If you have a traditional garden, consider edging your flower beds or pathways with rocks. This adds a natural touch and can help with weeds control. Shade tolerant rock garden. If you have a shaded area, select plants like ferns, hostas, and moss that thrive in low light conditions. Use rocks to add texture and interest. Artistic rock arrangement. Get creative with the placement of rocks to form shapes, patterns, or even sculptures. This can be a unique and artistic expression of your garden. Succulent wall or vertical rock garden. Use a vertical surface like a wall or a planter to create a vertical rock garden filled with succulents and other trailing plants. It's a great space saving idea. Rock garden with seating. Integrate rocks into your garden sitting area by using them to build stone benches, chairs, or low walls for a sitting nook. Rock garden pathway. Create a meandering pathway through your garden using a combination of rocks and gravel. This can lead visitors on a scenic journey through your rock garden. Edible rock garden. Combine herbs and edible plants with decorative rocks to create a functional yet attractive garden. It's both practical and visually pleasing. Remember to consider the local climate and the types of plants that will thrive in your area when designing your rock garden. Pay attention to the arrangement of rocks as well as the choices of plants and their placement to achieve the desired look and feel. Thanks.